What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. As y'all can see, I'm in the office. I'm in the office I'm in the office doing the intro for y'all, man, cause I shot this video and I ain't do no intro, man, cause I was so focused on getting straight to work or whatever and getting the caliper and the job and all that done on Big Dolo, man, to keep y'all in the loop. Everything what been going on. So that's why I said I thought about it after I'm sitting right here editing the video, going through the files, and I'm like, man, I ain't even give my BCG fam no intro and all of that stuff, man. So, like I said, man, it just straight got to it, got to it today and everything, man, and got it done or whatever. I just forgot to do an intro, cause I was scrambling. I was scrambling today, man. Like I was just trying to get this junk done and all of that, so I can get ready for the track. And try to hit the track and all that, cause like I said, I plan on hitting Middle Georgia Motorsport Park and spraying the car and all that good stuff, man. So, I had to get it done today. Then I thought about, like I said, I ain't do no intro and all that. But it's really the next day. It's really the next day I'm doing the intro. I'm just not editing the footage, cause y'all noticed, y'all saw the last clip where I closed the video out. It was the next day or whatever, after I had did the car and all that. So that's what we got going on. But anyway, I had to do an intro, man, cause it's like you don't come in the house and not speak, man. So that's what we got going on. So we back to turning wrenches and all that, man, trying to get the thing ready for to hit the track. Like I said, to hit the track so we can spray it and see what it do. Hope they got the problem, man. Hope they little brake problem fixed or whatever, cause like I said, it was just crazy. Y'all saw part 1. When the thing was smoking and all that. So I hope I got the problem today, man. I mean, it working. I mean, doing what it's supposed to, but I ain't had time to drive the car and stuff. So I'm and another thing, y'all know we hit Lawless. I hit Lawless yesterday, which I put that clip in there and stuff too, cause I got the shifter bolted down. I'm just trying to keep y'all in the loop. I try to show y'all everything I do with these cars, cause some people be wondering, man. Y'all know the shifter had came loose twice, but I didn't put it on camera one time. I had bolted it back down one time. But I hit Lawless and all of that, so you gonna see that in the vlog. I ain't do no clip. I just popped it in there. That's why it seemed like it just a clip just chopped in there. Cause after I had ended up getting the brakes done, I drove it over to Lawless. Got the shifter put in, cause I'm like, man, I need to get that done before we go to the track. So had to get that done, man. That got to be bolted down, cause I plan on spraying the car, like spraying it at Middle Georgia Motorsport Park, so we can really see if we're gonna go clean up through there, man. Cause I know it's gonna put the ticket down. So I guess they're gonna about do it. They're gonna about do it for the intro, man. So hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm out here taking Big Dolo apart. I'm gonna change the rotor, cause it like it needed. Brake pads alright, so I'm gonna save them. But when I got to looking at the brake pad, I said, brake pads alright. I know what it is. Look at that. That don't supposed to move like that. Bearing failure. That's what it is. I see that inner bearing went bad. So I'm finna get this thing put back together right quick and check back in. All right, so I was sitting right there thinking. I said the bearing one thing, and I said I know that was and it was God just looking out for me. But that ain't where the issue of the smoking was coming from. Y'all see, I just showed y'all the caliper. That caliper locked up. So I had to slide the autos on and get a new caliper. So that's what I'm doing. I just sprayed it with brake part cleaner. And I'm painting it right quick so I can hurry up and get on the car. Cause I gotta move all these cars. So y'all just all right, so this what I got going on, man. See, I got the driveway block. Cause my in-law bought a storage. They bought a store too, so we got another one. So I had to, they brought it up through here, so I got driveway block. But I've been up here wrestling. Catch that, oh, that blow away. I've been up here wrestling. I'm like, wait a minute, man. That caliper, I said, that caliper ain't right, man. And turned out, I'm looking at it. I looked up the picture, looked at the back of it. I said, yeah, I thought so. And then, man, I forgot they stamped. So the way it was sent the autos on from the hub or manufacturer, whatever, they put 2 driver side calipers. They got 2 driver side calipers. So I bought a passenger and they had a driver side caliper in the box, man. So now I'm running around. Then the caliper hose got it got a little small pinch in it. That's why. I mean, it's still flowing fluid to the caliper. And I mean, the brakes are still working, but I'm gonna replace the caliper hose. It got a little crack in it, a little air getting in there. But like I say, I ain't never had no brake problem, but it burned up the caliper, obviously. So, shout out to my boy Scott, man. He's still gonna take that on the return or whatever. It's damaged parts. So I better get my money back, cause y'all know I painted it. But I'm finna go run and get the right caliper, get the caliper hose, and get the thing put back together, man. Cause this junk here just been a hassle, and I'm ready to just leave it alone now, man. I was gonna try to go to the track today, but I ain't even gonna do it. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow, go to middle Georgia. I was gonna go on the wheels today, but I ain't gonna do it. It's just too much, man. So back and forth. So I'm just gonna go to middle Georgia Friday, put the radios on, let it eat. But I'm gonna get that done, then I'm gonna check back in. All right, y'all. Just bled the brakes. Just got finished bleeding the brakes. Teaching wifey to bleed the brakes. You bled your first brakes, huh?
Yes.
She bled the brakes. It ain't that hard, is it?
No, it's not.
It's real simple. So I taught her how to do that. And it should have brakes, so I'm gonna take that. All right, so I got big Dolo all back together, man. But I was looking at the bearing again. I said it wasn't nothing wrong with it. I was tilted in this stuff. It was all right. Yep, but the rotor, where the pad turns sideways, you see it right there. It grooved the rotor where the caliper locked up, and the pad was in there crooked, and it messed up the rotor. But it's going good. We got that straight. So I'm about to move wifey car back, and we finna have us a little party, man. Then wifey's birthday. Her teeny birthday, 2 days apart. So wifey's birthday, man. So we about to have a good time and all that. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. So, man, I see Dolo got put back together. Said got the brakes situated, man. Had to change that caliper and all of that good stuff. Change the rotor too, cause like I said, the pad was turning the crooked, and that grooved the rotor a little bit. So we got all that brand new and all that good stuff, you know. So the next plan is to take the thing to the track and see what it do. Take it to the track, see what it do, man. See what we can make happen with Big Dolo or whatever. Like I said, still happen, man. Still happen. Now I still gotta change the caliper hose. I ain't changed the caliper hose yet. I still gotta change it. So you gotta do that. But you know, we'll get to it, man. Like I said, I be a little iffy about that little brake line, boy. You don't want to break that off. You don't want to round that off. So that's what we got left to do, man. Like I said, I made a 2-part video and just did it like that. So that's gonna be it for today's video, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'll catch y'all later. BCG, we out.